Cause me done see everything what happen already the end of the day. So
Good night, Rose. Good night, Rose.
why me really he upset still. When him dep on it, me see the guys them on it. Cause me a pass through and me see your platform and me see the rest of platform them. So me daily and me a scroll through same way and me a say alright. Cause all I think
Beg
chef
some tap up, Rose. Beg some tap up, please. Beg some tap up.
I think Chef Michael he there and too. I mean me go on film platform same way. So brother, me know the thing set already and thing. So me understand everything where you say and know still, but you see me now hear him behave them way they still. I know. Cause me go on it, you know. I mean hear my behave some way still, but me never feel so good still, cause the end of the day me hear my go on and then me just jump on and me start talk the end of the day. And then when me start talk in jump off and thing. But me don't know say the boss clean already and thing. So me know the people them where really want to know where I go when the next like when Mark Golding come in and thing and they want to know where am I gonna do and thing. So yeah, me understand still. You understand, but me enough of the things them when say I gonna do and thing. So me just there and me I say this government, the GLP government, all them come in and when they on platform, all them can say them not no thing where them are gonna do for Jamaica and thing. You understand? Those clocks and them thing that they can talk about and them something. So me just love how the thing I go still. But yeah, me understand the thing where you say yo they like the people them where no make up their mind for vote yet and thing. Yeah, me understand. Cause me have enough brethren where them never vote yet and when me and them attack them say yo you know say never give it a try still cause you see how the Labour right government do the thing so we want to give Mark Bowling a chance still and see what am I gonna do. You understand? So me I do my thing, you know, cause me have no friend where never vote yet still and me I talk to all a Labour brother. Him say yo, a Labour rights trade and thing and he say yo, no sir. Now vote for Labour again, you know, a PNP cause when me I tell him man, he must say, yeah man, me I vote for Mark Golding this a time man, cause me love how Mark Golding are doing things so. Me I go only for people still.
What you have to do now? What you have to do now, Brian? What you have to do now, you know? It do some serious coating here, you know.
Yeah man, me
serious coating here. Cause
me dep on the road still, cause me dep on the road same way and I do the work same way.
yeah.
Cause you know say when you do the work, you know, you get when you do the work man, your thing there, the end of the day.
Yeah. So when you do your scouting here now in the general, you have to watch out for strange people in your community.
Yeah man, me know man.
People in a division. Cause what they have that them are doing now. Them are flood the division them. So we have to do some serious scouting here.
Man. Well, one of the youth never vote yet and them say yo, them dying for election cause me I tell them say man, we are young youth, you know, want a change man, want see how we Andrew come in and promise we and we now we tired of the promise, you understand, and them a tell me, them a say yo youth, like how you different the thing and me I say brother, a serious time now man. One different different, you know. We don't want the same thing. We don't want nobody come tell we about no clocks and them something, brother. Upliftment thing we are deal with, bro.
So that's why when me say to you now, Mr. B, that's why when me say to you now, people got talk all type of things, you know. All type of things.
Man, we know that,
but
man.
when you flicking up them platform now, I got try to complete with them.
No, man. No. That's me. I tell you, me now. I never go on a GLP platform.
I
never from this thing upon TikTok. I go on.
Yeah.
Me pass through and me never send a request or nothing.
Yeah.
I never go on a GLP platform. I will never do that.
Okay.
All platform I go on all the PNP platform. I go on it.
Yeah.
I don't go on GLP platform. No time, man. No time, brother. I will cause first thing, when you bring a cow or river, you know, you can't force him to drink water, you know, brother. So them now, the reason why them are gonna give you at the end of the day, that no match up, that no make no sense, brother. So I can reason with GLP, cause you know say GLP kinda them they feel them way. You understand? So as a young youth, them not in my class right now for say boy, me I got discuss with them. But when I come on the PNP platform and them attack foolish, I will jump on it and I will talk. You understand?
So the person up on a PNP platform.
Good. They mean them on a PNP platform and I disrespect the man. So that's why I'm dead I watch till me send a request and the man request me and me go on it. I'm dead I'm a mute and thing till me start talk. Me I say man, him a go on too much. And me kinda cool him down and him jump off of the platform. You understand? Because one thing you know, me now got at the me know they on the platform, you know, but me now got at the listen and hear you they on it and I disrespect my boss. You understand? So I jump on it and I defend and say, yo, you can't disrespect the man, so brother. And Andrew, you're supposed to disrespect so cause Andrew are the thief, brother. You understand? So yeah. So that's why me I tell you, say, no man, me not jump on a GLP platform, man, cause they not teach me, brother. Let me tell you from this thing I go on, you know, brother. I whole it me learn, you know. Me never know a whole heap of thing, you know, and I tell you, from this thing I go on, Jay and the whole of the platform them, me I tell you, I learn a lot. Some things I never know. At these platforms where I go on, you know, make me know.
To be honest, Serbi, you see, the first time I hear about illicit enrichment,
all right,
me I said to myself, what that mean? Because they dub it to you so intelligently.
Yeah.
You know? So, when they have me a pray. So, me know you have something to do with the government, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I check it out. So when we start AJ and topic, we learn some aromatic and them set of guys there. Thumbs to them. Start
man.
take it and put it down and at a little.
Yeah.
They mean thieves, scamming.
Yeah, man.
And some unlawful other time where you cannot give account for it.
Yes.
You are a criminal.
And then the
platform has learned us a lot. It even learned us to try to speak intelligent, to try to get some. You understand me? I say. So
what
me can
never know.
Go take my time. Yeah, me can go take my time with this government of us under this type of anarchy system. And we go argue that labor right. I tell them this and tell them that. No, we're going to put the reality to the undeclared voters and to the independent voters.
Yeah, man.
And that's everything there.
Yeah. Because when we notice, you know, them and them prime minister have a statue day. The way on talk, them believe everything what him say. You understand?
You have to expect that in a survey. You know why?
Yes.
That's the base of them, you know. That is the base of them, you know. So, it's like where they'll come up we place them up a Mandeville side they call themselves Prophet Landell Row, something like that.
Jesus peace,
and
man.
Him come out and end that criminality in scamming. And him said, what you're running an organization, whether you run other way, I take it, you know. Other way, I put it. Whether you run an organization, whatsoever criminality and whatever illegality you go on with in the organization, the people that are part of the organization supposed to back it enough to give away.
That's why.
So that's why I could never support Landell and his criminal party.
That's why that pastor thief to because enough money my thief from people see him because he must say my profit. He must say my profit, you know. And he must tell people them say, bring 100,000, bring this and that. What kind of profit you be? Huh? First of all, when you do church, you know, if you say a God you are serving, you know, brother, you don't have to ask people for your dollar.
Yeah. What I believe in, all right, if you're running an organization, regardless what, you cannot fund the light bill out of your own salary.
No.
You cannot fund the internet bill out of your own income.
Good.
So make the organization function properly, that the people of the organization willingly to pay their fair share.
Yeah.
So you don't put no finger upon the people and no indictment upon the people them. That's a scamming. That's a scamming policy. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, film thing, man. Film thing, and God give them the profit, the fair profit, and tell people lie and collect much money. Lie matter.
Eat a food style.
Eat a food, the end of the day, guys. If you are real prophet, God not have, you not have to tell people say, bring on God said this and that. God never tell you that. A lie.
You can you can big up your representative, you know. You can big up your constituent and big up your representative, you know.
Oh, like in my place over there.
Yeah, man, your constituent and your representative, you can big them up, man. Also, if I represent the People's National Party, you can big them up.
Yeah,
my constituent is St. Catherine, you know.
Me no remember her name, you know.
What the constituency? Where this constituency is?
West Rural St. Andrew.
West Rural St. That's Flint.
Yeah.
Juliet
Cockburn. But the councillor,
I believe. Let me get the brother name.
Miss
Miss Webley.
The name Webley, yeah, Miss
Webley.
Yeah, man, she have a run against. Yeah, she have a run against Miss Cockburn.
When Catburn Flint.
Yeah, man, and she a go run against her. But me never
What about
remember
respect, Miss Webley? Continue to do the good work. We Comrades love your heart. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Be safe and strong. Anyway, I know that you're a good representative. So you will make the people proud of Eastwood and St. Andrew. Big up yourself again, Miss Webley.
I'm a councillor for Brandon Hill.
Oh,
Mr. Richard.
Miss Richard,
Yeah,
big up yourself. Big up yourself. I see. Oh, I think I see her. I think I see her on the landslide breakaway there, no?
Yeah, man. She win for Brandon Hill.
Yeah, man, Brandon Hill. What's her name again? Is
what's your name, man? Me not remember our first name, but our last name is Richard. Richard. What's your name, man? You don't remember first name?
Big up yourself, Miss Richard. Big up yourself. Good representation. Good representation. That's what the People's National Party represent. Good representation.
Chrissy.
Chrissy, oh.
Chrissy.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have somebody else in the box.
Yeah. You can go ahead, Salman. Go ahead, Salman. Hello, go ahead. Alright, this person click out of the box.
The person come up, but them not say nothing.
Yeah, man. Sometimes we have no time for waste. No time for waste.
Make no sense.
Yeah.
So, some of them come on and want record and thing.
Shalom, alright. Shalom. When I play thing, you know.
Now a serious time.
Yeah.
Me not say them
so we when them
But what Chilani, man. I feel good when I see Chilani Wednesday.
Okay. Alright. Me see now, you know. Me tell you now. Me see Jamaican people totally move away from the arrogant style of politics. That's why I think the dieharded thing that are cut out now, you know. The people are dealing with performance.
Yeah.
They are dealing with performance. So nobody now go, they got sit down on taxpayers money and rob up taxpayers money and talk about it in a safe seat. Them sit there done with.
But you see, that them do, you know. Them going with nothing, and when them come out back, them fat.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Garnet. Big up yourself, Garnet. Big up yourself.
Them going with nothing and come out fat. Yeah, let me tell you, them don't care no, as well, them not worry, you know, because if them lose, them I say, boy, me rich already, you know. So
when them lose.
When them lose, them not have a problem because them pocket well fat, you understand? So if the people then get tired of them, then just say, me go down now, man, because me not have to do a second term. You understand? Because when I look at West Rural St. Andrew, and somebody hear at them, people know you have to get good representation, you know, because you are run for how much years? She in there for 2 terms.
Yeah.
Juliet Cockburn in there for 2 terms.
Yeah, man.
And somebody hear at them, You see, all of the strong era them, she working at the era there, but you see, some of the era them where she knows say most PNP in the era there.
She's not going there. Yeah. Like when
She go
the
there now.
Daniel.
She go there now. She go there, but you not get the more support from her because she had too much PNP in the era there. She had do less work in the era there. And some of the road them, you see, true, as she responds to like the main road, she responds to the main road because she had the MP. So she responds to the main road. She knows that the people them are going to cuss. So she have to make sure she clean the road.
Yeah.
And
Jamaica, are you listening? I want to listen all the Jamaica Labour Party represent people. On a list of Jamaica. Listen
look again.
Look at the young man saying. Listen keenly. Okay.
The councillor were win for Brandon Hill. In my era, she don't get no whole heap of support like oh the lady get the support that are the JLP lady get the support. And from the storm some broke come down. I remember you know she win for the first time that the councillor will win.
Yeah.
And the way me hear she attack. Cause me go at work and go bill out some coffee cause me have some coffee for bill out. So me there and me a listen. Me a listen what she is saying now. Look now, you are the MP, you get the money. We give the councillor them. Remember if you don't give the councillor them no money, all the job I got done.
Can't done.
You understand? And the way all them a do the thing is if from them get the money, you see from them councillor win, and them councillor get the money. I remember say she win, the PNP councillor win for the first time. You understand? And you sabotage the PNP councillor. See like how the one over Wolaba say no PNP.
I mean, I got touch a point in a survey, but go ahead.
No PNP now get the money like say and him put the money in there. So the end of the day, you now go give the PNP no money because for your pocket it a come out. But if me a support a man, you are my MP and me a support you and you talk that out of your mouth, you will never get back my vote.
Yeah, which is right. Which is right.
I will never vote for you again. Since you utter that out of your mouth and say, no labor right, now get your money, can win you. And you go say, you now get no money. First thing, me a mark that as a MP, the end of the day. Cause when I know myself, I never hear a PNP talk.
Speak those words.
Them something out of them mouth. No time. No matter what the situation, I never heard.
Beg 1 minute, Mr. Brian. Beg 1 minute.
Yeah.
Jamaica people, are you listening carefully to what this young man is saying? If I favor with the People's National Party, because of all the People's National Party present themselves in representation of politics to represent people. Have you listened carefully to what this young man is saying? Go back ahead, sir, please.
Yeah. Cause me listen the PNP every platform that them represent and them going on. I listen to them keenly and I hear them. But when you hear the labor right attack, remember God Almighty, people for wise up in a brother. But people now wise up. When a person mean you're good, they mean you're good. When they not mean you're not good, then do anything The way all them do them thing, some people show them licky. They me buy a look of stuff, buy a look of liquor and you get a plate of food, that's all. That no make no sense, brother. You want a leader when no say can set the young people them, cause right now some of the young youth them in my era. And them not looking to them something there, cause the end of the day, all this a MP where I run, brother. You see, she can wrap up a 5,000 in a shirt. She no business, you know. I just that, you know. She no business because first of all, me hear she say she know what to do, cause but she couldn't get my vote because me not sell my vote. Not selling my vote.
Send back a request. Send back a request, 6. Send back a request.
Me not sell my vote. Me vote for. Cause first thing, them come out with prosperity and thing. Me think me that's the prosperity. The end of the day because you come out and PNP.
So how you mean saying that's the prosperity?
Porsche.
Prosperity, I just care prosperity go for web place in St. Elizabeth, go give one lady. So you know the prosperity.
One donkey.
But you're not paying attention, then, sir. You're not paying attention, Kim, sir. Prosperity, prosperity, go up a century.
I want donkey.
All right, Mr. Richard. Yeah.
I want donkey. Because the woman actually donkey and in glad figure the woman the donkey.
Yeah. Yeah. 6, you can send back a request. Bless yourself. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, bless. 6. Yes, sir, Richard. Go ahead.
Yeah. The end of the day, me just want know say the PNP because I know that the PNP was doing a good job because Porsche seemed to me that was doing a good job. You get the country in a booming way.
Yeah,
and here when he say
economy.
Yes, and him say PNP never do nothing. That him say no, cause what I platform them when go up on an attack. He say PNP never do nothing. When Porsche get the country, she have to go to IMF and thing. Cause the way all them wreck the country.
Talk short, brother. Talk short.
Porsche have it hard. Me I tell you. And him used to cuss when Porsche used to travel, go all the different places Porsche go. And me always have to big up Peter Phillips because Peter Phillips do a great job. I don't care what nobody wants to say.
You can't take that away from him. Thumbs up to him. For real.
Peter Phillips.
Was fantastic.
Honorable Peter Phillips and do a great job.
Fantastic, man. So, great job, yeah.
When Nigel Clark come now and I big up themselves, them for big up the man because first thing, Jamaica Labour Party never pass a IMF test yet.
Blessed Anthony. Good night, Anthony.
And PNP pass everything. So PNP never have to go back to IMF and see Andrew come have to go back to IMF and get too much money and owe them. So that's why I always say PNP do a great job.
Yeah, man, they do a marvelous job.
So when them a come, them for know how them a come and talk because when Porsche seems to me like get the country then nowhere, we know then nowhere, not that way.
Yeah.
Hardship with the pan. So them do a great job.
And they work tremendously hard to put back the economy on track. Very hard.
May I tell you,
And get a very pay off good job.
You see, if Portia thinks to me like get an next term, we yes. have a good the way the country that flourish. Yeah. I tell you that this lady, anywhere she there, me have to big her up. Because she do a great job. No matter where them I could jump up on the top, Portia seems to me like she do a good job. Me I tell you. And them get it now, and them get it, and the end of the day, they want to take every credit. They don't want to give PNP no credit. They don't want to give PNP no credit, you know.
Because there's some criminal tell them have.
Aye. And Nigel, look now. Peter Philip get the opportunity. And the next PNP finance minister get it. And he never take it. So why now? You take it now and you feel like a good you do. You not do good for your country because when you take the deal now, and look now, you raise your salary in that booming, how much you get for your salary. And when the teacher them start ball now, you say the teacher them, you start show your word and say the teacher them, and enough of the teacher them gone and foreign. See if they can get better at the end of the day. So what kind of props you give yourself and say you was the best finance minister? No way. That not in my cabinet. You will that couldn't be the best finance minister in Jamaica. No time. We have to big up Peter Phillips. Him do the hard work.
What?
You come.
There is no way you could have been a good finance minister, cause this 0.1% negative growth, you know, it's either the
real bad
and
yucky.
Name Nigel Clark, you know, that's under Nigel Clark policies, you know.
All right.
What Nigel Clark know for do is somebody like Andrew Holness. Nigel Clark come chase.
But what I get you know?
And chase Omar Davis. That's all he know if he come do.
But what you know again? You know say him know the fire where that coming on. That's why I'm running on. Him know say him inna it, you know. He inna the problem like how Andrew inna the problem, you know. That's why I'm run and come out at it. I'm see why that come and do away here. Yeah man, you see it. You see it. And I like you know see it. So I'm go on long and a big up and the JLP them say no. Yes, the best finance minister. Where pan God earth here? The best finance minister. No time.
So that's why as well me tell you say me not have time for labor right. Me not have time for labor right. My time is to speak to the undecided voters and to the voters that say they call themselves the independent.
Yeah man.
That's what I'm saying.
At them we are trying to get
we are part of, and them see the harsh reality of this government. And when a young man like you can come and speak so eloquently and understand what is governance, understand how our government supposed to be operate amongst people, just it speaks volume. So my brother, you are paying a very, very good
because my brother them
governance.
My brother them never vote yet.
Yeah.
And the way all my brother them see how the thing are run. My brother them say, no. Them have to vote this term. You understand?
Yeah.
Because them say them never see it so as yet. And them have to vote. All man when say yo, them now go on a polling station and go vote. The man then say yo, them dying for call. And them want to get rid of this man. You understand? So it no matter where them a jump up and come with an attack. Me know say they must smell the coffee now. So them cause alright. Look on coffee. When I know
Hardball, big up yourself, hardball.
you see coffee. When I know when PNP was in power. Coffee. Enough of the farmer them never left up them farm and thing. And I see this government are coming. I mean I tell you the truth.
Bruce Cole play a big role like mashing up in the coffee industry up there up inside the trader, sir. With Arvin, they said Arvin in there now.
But we have the best. We have the best coffee in St. Andrew. When you go up a Blue Mountain and them place there.
God, my name, God the town and them place there.
Garden Town and we have the best coffee in Jamaica.
Yeah, I mean, I come outside the one time.
I'm not going to tell no lie.
Yeah.
The farmer them then do a big mistake for putting GLP in a power. Because so much benefit when PNP in.
Talk up the things them. Talk up things them. On share with live, man. Touch up a live. You better talk up so eloquently, man. Don't give me some energy and straight away you come, Reds. Give me some energy, man. Tap up a screen, man. Go ahead, G.
Coffee, me not tell no lie. PNP put in some whole heap of benefit where the small farmer could live off of.
Yeah.
For the rest of their life.
Yeah.
They won't have to worry. Because I know them used to get fertilizer right now, you know. A straight cash them are getting now.
Oh.
They're not getting no fertilizer. Them are get the straight cash. Them are buy it. The straight cash. So when you get the money, you have to respond to buy a coffee. And when I know when PNP in too, you see the all bonus people I get. The farmer them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And them do a big mistake when them put in GLP.
Oh my God.
Enough for the farmer them right now. Them coffee in a bush now. You understand? Because one bag of fertilizer, if I'm not 13,000 for one bag.
Well, what's a fertilizer expensive?
$13,000.
But that's then. I'm last night when I do my live. That's the said question. I mean that asking. I mean, say no. How can the government shape an economy by leaving out the farmer, leaving out the people that sell in the market, leaving out those various low-income earners out of the building of the economy? You cannot speak alone about private investor. You can't speak about private investor alone.
But
and private partnership and them thing there. Private-public partnership. Well, I know that you understand what that means. That don't make no sense to people of Jamaica. So when you going to bring in your international investor and your private-public partnership, you have to make it can add up. It can make sense in the economy. Because it not make no sense to the people in the economy. Just like how you are talking, sir, for up in the deep rural part of St. Andrew. About the farming and how much a bag of fertilizer? $16,000. So how they go survive up there?
$13,000.
So they go survive up
Because
there.
remember, you know, when you're 13 coffee, you know, I think about either 2 fertilizer them use. As alright, you have the fertilizer for the leaf, and you have the fertilizer for the bearing. When you throw the fertilizer, the coffee bear more.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay, because like wearing a chicken, because you have a bit of
so when you buy the fertilizer, they have the all-purpose one. So you buy the one there, so you don't really have to buy the next one, because I think it come in the two of them come in it. You understand?
Oh, it's
so
like it's all-purpose.
The all-purpose one dearer too.
Okay.
You understand? So I love when PNP. You understand? I love when them thing, because when them used to give them the fertilizer, it is better for them.
Okay.
Although them collect a little fine, them collect a little money same way still, but you know, you understand? But it help out the farmer them same way.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, so you have to give them thumbs up.
You have to give them thumbs up, because farmer,
Jonah, big up yourself, Jonah. Good night, Jonah. Yeah.
no for the farmers them. They'll build them house out of coffee.
Yeah.
Right now, at Brandon Hill and them place there was a coffee was a coffee thing there. You understand?
Yeah.
Coffee place where everybody go a bush and plant a little coffee. And that them live off of.
Okay.
So they don't have to really look for your next job, you know, because when the coffee come in, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You just want the picker. Yeah, you just want the picker.
Yeah.
And then time there, they might get 12,000 a box for the coffee.
Yeah.
And they might pay a worker $1,000 a box to pick it.
Jaja.
In them time there.
Yeah.
But no, them not have it now, and at 2,500 them have to pay the picker. 2,500 a box, them have to pay the picker for pick it.
Yeah.
Some people pay 3,000 a box to pick it, you know.
Okay.
You understand?
So how much box a person pick the coffee? How much boxing can pick for the day? If you have the fruits and the tree.
Yeah, if you have the coffee on the tree, if you have good pick all 3-4 boxes you can pick.
And you say I get what 2,500 a box now?
Yeah, so if the coffee in and on you got a bush, you pick 3 a day. And $9,000 that you look pan, you know.
3 days. Wow.
For the day.
Okay.
How much man I go pay you $9,000 fee?
So you get the produce out of the field now to go to the depot.
Alright, you bag it up and you get your vehicle and you carry it to the depot.
Oh, what you have to okay.
Enough man pulp it.
Good night, Pauline.
Enough man carry it to the upper enough man carry it to the depot go pulp it, so them get better money for it too.